We're going to explain how to resolve the failed to connect to bus, host is down error in CentOS running within Termux. This error typically arises when applications relying on the dbus system, a message bus for inter-process communication, fail to connect to the dbus daemon. Several factors could be the culprit, so we'll troubleshoot systematically. 1. Verify dbus daemon is running. The first step is to check if the dbus daemon, is actually running. In your Termux session, use the command systemctl status dbus. If the output shows that dbus is not active or shows an error, you need to start it. Use systemctl start dbus. If that fails, try sudo systemctl start dbus, requiring root privileges. After starting, check the status again using systemctl status dbus. Look for any error messages in the output. They might give clues about the underlying problem. 2. Check for dbus-related errors in system logs. System logs frequently contain valuable information about errors. Use the command journalctl to view the system logs. Look for entries related to dbus or any errors that occurred around the time you encountered the host is down message. These logs might pinpoint a specific service or configuration issue. 3. Ensure proper dbus configuration. A misconfiguration in your dbus setup could also lead to this error. While less common in Termux, checking the dbus configuration files can be helpful. The main configuration file is usually located at /etc/dbus-1/system.d/ake. However, directly editing these files within Termux's limited environment can be risky, so proceed with caution and only if you're comfortable with system configuration. Backup any files before modifying them. 4. Reboot the Termux environment, or the whole system if possible. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches affecting the dbus daemon. Within Termux, you might try exiting and restarting the session. If the problem persists, a reboot of your host system, outside of Termux, might be necessary. 5. Reinstall packages as a last resort. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling the packages that depend on dbus. This is a more drastic step and should only be attempted if other solutions fail. Identify the package causing the issue, usually from the error logs, and reinstall it using apt update followed by apt reinstall package _name. Replace package _name with the name of the problematic package. Remember that reinstalling a package can potentially cause data loss, so back up any important data before proceeding. 6. Check for conflicting processes. Rare cases might involve conflicting processes interfering with the dbus daemon. Inspect running processes using ps aux vertical bar grep dbus and see if anything seems unusual. If you find suspicious processes, carefully investigate them before forcefully terminating them. Always be cautious when terminating processes, as it can lead to system instability. 7. Investigate the application causing the error. The error message often stems from a specific application that depends on dbus. Try running the application again and observe any more detailed error messages. These additional error messages can provide valuable information for troubleshooting. Check the application's documentation for common issues and troubleshooting steps. By systematically following these steps, you have a much higher chance of resolving the failed to connect to bus, host is down error within your CentOS Termux environment. Remember to always back up your data before attempting significant system changes.